So Meg, we've come up with some ideas about what's going to happen at this party on Friday night. It's also pretty useful to do an experiment to test out whether these ideas are true, because as you know, ideas can be tested. So why don't we work through this together about the possible situations that might come up and to test out those thoughts. Does that sound okay? So I might write up on the board, and I'll ask you to write down on this piece of paper. So the specific situation is the party. And that's on Friday night. Now you've come up with some really strong thoughts about what might happen. So we'll write them down as well. And we might also call them predictions.
So I had that one that was no one called to me.
So that was the main one that you believed, wasn't it? So write that one down. And we also came up with an alternate thought to that. Do you remember what that was?
It was that some people will probably talk to me, but some people might not.
So we've got the original thought or prediction of what's going to happen at this party. We've also got the alternate thought or prediction about what might else happen. So what might be important at this point is to get how much you believe these thoughts are accurate and true. So if we think about this first one, how much do you believe that thought?
Probably 70% still.
70%? Okay. And how about the alternative thought? How much do you believe that to be accurate and true?
20, 30,
30? So write that down as well. So it's important to test these out at the party to see which one might be true as opposed to the other. So what I'm going to ask you to do, so this is the experiment, so write it down here. So it's about where you're going to test out these predictions. And we've also talked about safety behaviours before. So when you've been at parties previously, what have you done?
and they go on my phone.
Gone on your phone. So it's important to start dropping those behaviours. So what would you think would be the best way to manage that?
Not use my phone.
Not use it? And not use it at all?
Yeah, like I wouldn't need it.
Okay. And the second part of this is, how would you know that your prediction has come true?
I suppose when people talk to me, how many people talk to me.
Okay, so if one person talks to you, do you think that that would demonstrate the alternative thought?
Yeah.
Or would it be, is one a good benchmark, or how many people would it take?
Maybe 3 people.
Okay, so write that down too.
So I got no one would be the first one, and then 3 people for the second.
Yeah, okay. And so what I would like you to do, the rest of this sheet is your homework. So after the party, I'd like you to come back and write on this sheet what happened and was your prediction accurate for both of the predictions. What was accurate? And then when you come back to it, I'd like you to see what did you learn about this experiment? What did you learn about yourself? What did you learn about the situation? And then also, how likely is it that your prediction will come true in the future? And then it'd be good to revisit those predictions again and re-rate your belief, just like we've done here. And we can see the difference between then and what it is now. Does that sound okay?
Sounds good.
Okay. See you next week.